Hey YouTube, Mark here. Today what I got going on is a little project in the garage. Actually, I've got several projects in my head that I want to do, and I'm hoping over the course of the year I'm going to get most of them done. But the project right now is lighting in here. I mean, this lighting actually really sucks. I've got a couple of halogen lamps over here, and that's basically all I got to work with other than keeping the garage doors wide open. So what I've done, I went out and bought some cheap little LED lights for hanging up. These are 4 feet long. They say that they're, let's see, 55 watts. It says that it's 5,000 lumens. I don't know if that's right or not. I'm going to hang one way in the back on the rafter up there. I'll probably hang another one right here above my head. And then hopefully lighting in here should get better. Another project I got going on right now, as you can see up on the back wall over here. Actually, that's a side wall, not a back wall. That's the back wall over there. But anyway, on the wall over here, you can see I've got a few things hanging up on the wall. And those are certificates that I've earned while riding my motorcycle. I do have more materials to make another shot glass display case, like the ones hanging up over here. I've got enough material to make one for the tall shot glasses. So yeah, I got all that. I don't think I can get them all in one case. Maybe I can, I don't know. I've also got another case. I've got a few shot glasses that are too big around. They're like probably 2.5, close to 3 inches around, and I cannot get them in those cases, no matter what I do. So I actually bought a thicker, deeper case to put those in. I'm going to try to set up some sort of shelving inside of those. And yeah, hopefully I'll be able to display those bigger round shot glasses. What else do I got going on here? I've been adding tools to my wall. I've got a shit ton of screwdrivers now. All the screwdrivers I have, I want to leave some tools in the house. So if something happens in the house, I got tools in the house. These are tools just for my garage. So these are out here, they're staying out here, helping me work on the wall. And other projects like that, motorcycle projects and whatnot, which I also have another project for the motorcycle. In the next few weeks, I'm hoping to do a air filter change on the Vulcan 1600 Classic. And yeah, I think right now that's about it. So in this video though, what I want to do is I want to achieve getting the new lights hung up. Now these are simple plug-in lights. I don't have to have electricity coming into the shed. I just have to run an extension cord from the house out to the garage to get power out here. So I'm going to have plug-in style lights that I can just plug into an extension, a surge protector or something like that, and then be able to turn them on and off that way. Alright, so let's get going. Let's get these things hung up. Alright, so let's open up this box and see exactly what's inside. Alright, I think I got everything. Yep, that's everything. Okay, so looks like in the main bag here is of course the light and a little bit of a reflector. It's not very big. It's got a pull cord for on and off, and like I said, it's got a plug just to plug into like a surge protector or a wall outlet of some sort. It does come with the bulb, and it comes for length of chain in case I have to hang it on higher rafters and I want it, the light lower or something. There's a length of chain. Now these chains are not very long, as you can tell. They're maybe 12 inches. But what they have is they got Got S hooks, you just put it on the chain like that. There's a little raised screw right here. Hopefully you can see that one right there. And there's a hole that passes through there, so all you gotta do is just take your S hook and pass it through. That's all you gotta do. There's one at both ends. And of course it's got the instructions, the care, cleaning, all that stuff. Which if you want it, there you can read it, there. Here's the other side. Alright, enough of that. Alright, let's start working on getting this first one hung up. This one I think I'm going to put on the back side of the garage and get that back corner all lit up. Alright, so this is the rafter that I want to work on and get the light hung up. So I need to move the bike out of here. Okay, now in the package for the lights, they don't give you any type of bolts or screws or anything to put on your rafters or along your wall or wherever you're going to put this. So I just got some drywall screws, and I'm just going to drill them in through the side, get them, you know, fairly close to where I want the light. So I'm thinking I want the light right about there. So I got a peg here. My other peg is right about here. And that's my marking for putting the screw in. Now I know I'm a tall son of a bitch. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to reach all the way up there to put these in. But damn straight I'm going to give it a shot. Alright, so. I am trying to angle the screw slightly downward, just so the chain can kind of nestle into the little V shape that's being created. Don't look at my belly. Alright, I think that's going to be good enough. Now, like I said, I really don't want the light hanging way down here because I'm a big guy. I don't want to have fear of bumping it or anything like that. So I'm going to try to hang it as high up as I possibly can. So, there's one. Stay. All right, that's two. That's pretty easy, wasn't it? Now I'm going to have the electrical cord going over towards the center of the room and then shooting down that way, probably with a couple of extension cords or something like that, and then going into a surge protector. I don't need to show you any of that because you guys know how to plug in an outlet, right? Yes, you do. All right. My next light I want on this beam here, because of these beams that I have for my garage door opener, I'm actually going to put the screws on this side, so it's in the way of here. Forgot to push record. Anyway, I got the second light up now. So yeah, I just kind of did the same thing. As you can tell, I've got it lopsided, and I can do this. There. Basically, I had one screw higher up than the other, and all I did is I just kept on putting the chain up on the screw just to kind of So, put it up to where it's not dangling down and tickling me on the head. So, now I need to get something to plug these into, and we'll turn these damn things on, and hopefully I'll get some good light in here. This is what I had to deal with. Now, yeah, I did have halogen lights in here, but if I didn't want to run the extension cord, this is it. This is natural sunlight coming coming through the garage door that's open. By the way, it is cold. Did I tell you that? It's January. I think last time I knew it was like 24 degrees. So yeah, can you tell I'm from Wisconsin? Short sleeve shirt, 24 degrees weather, no jacket. I'm fine. So anyway, so this is the before, and now look at it. Holy crap. God, that's bright. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. Let there be light. Oh, yeah. Much, much better. Oh. It was so dark back here, and now look at it. Holy cow. I'm loving it. And the one that's kind of above my head here kind of shines down on the work table. Trying to decide if I want to get a little something here just to shine down on my worktop. But that's another show. If I even do it, I'm not sure. But I might go off and get a couple more just to put them on the other side of the garage. Basically over there, it's junk and storage. It's, it's nothing. It really is. But just to have the added light over there would be something. So yeah, I'm kind of liking it. Oh, I'm excited now. Alright, well, this is the end of this video, and I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road. Bye, guys.